There we go. My babies are happy. And you happy? You got your new foods?
It's £120.
Yes, well deserved. Yeah.
Go girl. Munchy
Makes us feel
munchy.
like we're doing the right thing. We couldn't go any lower than that.
He's well tucking in these.
So much. It was really
Little
pleasure to
Alfie,
say more.
tucking into his grub.
Means a lot.
He's in there, look, you can see him just through the grub. And there's old little Billy. She is a she, yeah. Or he is a she. She is a he. No, Billy is a she, a female. She was born female, weren't she? And Billy was born a male. And Daddy here, he was born a bloody alien.
Last to face their critics are Laurie Collins and Mike Rowbottom.
Here we go.
Down to business.
My little babies.
When the guests drifted into Samsara Retreat
Hello,
in West
hello,
Hackney,
hello.
Kent. Good morning. Morning.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Oh well. Bye from me.
Wow.
And the little tweeters.
It's really kind of you. It's really cozy.
Thanks.